Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create consistent characters in Higgsfield AI. So open up Higgsfield AI and log into your account. So once you have logged into your account, if you don't have an account you can simply sign up using your Google credentials, that's fine. So once you have logged in here, so now what we're going to do is if you go on your home page here, if you see under visual effects, you'll have these type of options here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is you're going to go under visual effects here. So if you scroll down here, you will see there is an option here which says consistent characters. So if you like, so once you have logged into your account here, so here under visual effects, you will see there is an option that says consistent characters under visual effects. So you simply click on it to start creating your consistent characters. Okay, so once you click on it here, what you're going to do, you're going to click on this create character option here. So click on it, and then now what you have to do is you have to upload a minimum of 20 photos for best results. So the photos need to be something like this, as you can see here, clear, high quality with one person. Okay, so the more images you provide, the better it will be. So with different angles, facial expressions, because that will help them create the consistent characters, especially with different expressions, angles, and all those things. Okay, and avoid these type of photos here, you know, like all these ones here, you know, like duplicates, filters, and face covering necessary, all those, avoid that. And once you're ready with your photos, click on upload images, and then what we're going to do is simply add your images. So for example, just choose any image like of yours. So for example, let me just choose one. Okay, so open up your image, so upload your image, and then once you upload it, and next what you will see that this is one image that I uploaded. So you need to upload minimum 20. You can upload up to maximum like 70 photos, but minimum you need at least 20. Okay, so upload them in a good quality. Okay, my quality is not that great yet because I just uploaded one photo. You need to upload more photos. So what are you going to do? Click on upload photo and then select your next photo. Okay, and then try to provide more photos as you go. So the more you provide, the better it would be. Okay, so once you provided like minimum 20 photos, as you can see, the quality becomes excellent. Okay, the quality becomes excellent. And then for the character name, you can just give a character name for here. Okay, so you can just type in any character for the name, and then once you have like minimum 20 photos with different angles and everything, click on the generate option. Okay, click on the generate option and it will generate the character for you, and you need to have the pro plan in order to do this. Okay, hope the video was helpful.